Imagine a world unseen, a world teeming with life. Creatures beyond imagination swim in its depths. Ancient stories lie buried on its floor. The ocean is a time capsule waiting to be opened. We are just beginning to understand this realm. New technologies offer a glimpse into the abyss. What we find there will astound us. The ocean is our planet's final frontier. Exploring the ocean depths is no easy feat. It presents immense challenges. The pressure is crushing. Darkness reigns supreme. Communication is difficult. Submersibles become our underwater eyes. They withstand incredible pressure. They illuminate the darkness with powerful lights. Each dive is a risky, expensive endeavor. Yet the rewards outweigh the risks. We discover new species on almost every expedition. We map the ocean floor, revealing hidden mountains and trenches. The knowledge we gain is invaluable. Despite our best efforts, the ocean remains largely unexplored. We have better maps of Mars than of our own seafloor. Why is so much still unknown? Firstly, the ocean is vast and deep. Its sheer size makes exploration a daunting task. Secondly, the extreme conditions make it a hostile environment for humans. We need specialized equipment to survive there. Thirdly, ocean exploration requires significant financial investment. Research vessels, submersibles, and skilled personnel are expensive. Despite the challenges, unlocking the ocean's secrets is crucial. Gap 3s. Despite the challenges, technology is paving the way for groundbreaking discoveries in ocean exploration. Autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, are leading the charge. These robotic explorers can dive to depths humans cannot, capturing high-resolution images and collecting data. Advanced sonar systems map the seafloor with unprecedented detail. Satellite technology aids in tracking ocean currents and monitoring marine life. Innovations in submersible design allow scientists to venture deeper than ever before. These submersibles are equipped with cutting-edge cameras and sensors, providing real-time data and visuals. Collaborative efforts between governments, private companies, and research institutions are driving forward our understanding of the ocean. Crowdsourced data from citizen scientists also contribute valuable insights. The future of ocean exploration is bright thanks to these technological marvels. Together, we can unlock the mysteries of the deep and safeguard our blue planet. See you all in the next video as we navigate the world of facts. Gap 3s. The ocean floor is a dynamic place. Underwater volcanoes erupt, creating new landforms. Strange and wonderful creatures thrive in the darkness. Ancient shipwrecks offer glimpses into the past. Hydrothermal vents spew hot, mineral-rich water. These vents support unique ecosystems. Bioluminescent creatures light up the darkness with their own bodies. They create a breathtaking underwater light show. Shipwrecks tell stories of maritime history. They hold clues about past cultures and technologies. The ocean preserves these remnants of the past, offering a window into history. From the ocean depths, we learn about our planet and ourselves. We must continue to explore and protect this vital part of our world.